Here's your PROTECH aluminum toolbox. It's 2 foot wide, 2 foot long, 2 foot tall. It's got your rubber seals around there, make it pretty much waterproof. Here's your holes that will probably, these holes should match up here. If this here, there's aluminum racks that goes with it, angle iron. You can cut these down if you want to put it on a smaller truck. You can put it on a semi and go way back underneath it. So these two aluminum braces, framework goes with it. Nice toolbox now. All aluminum.